In this video, I will show you how you can use the light diode resistor to detect the light intensity and using this value to control an LED to switch it off or on. The first part of the video is about the simulation of the circuit on TinkerCad. You can find the link of the simulation in the description below. When I start the simulation, I can change the light intensity of the LDR. The value of the resistance will be displayed on the LCD. In the second line of the LCD, a small description of light intensity will be shown on the display. It is dark or it is bright. The LED will switch on when it's dark. And after the simulation, I uploaded the code on Arduino Uno, and here you can see the results. The LED goes on when it's dark, and different texts will be displayed on the LCD.